Welcome to JH. Eloura Hair Growth Serum Roll claims to be the miracle cure for your thinning scalp, promising visible results in just weeks with its chemical-free formula. It sounds absolutely incredible, provided you don't mind your science, served with a heavy side of fiction. They're tossing out impressive stats, like 95% of customers seeing less hair fall in 14 days and 92% sprouting baby hairs in 3 weeks. Apparently, their serum works faster than most people can commit to a gym membership. However, when you look for actual clinical trials or dermatologist backing, you'll find absolutely nothing but empty promises and bold fonts. The marketing strategy is basically a greatest hits of every internet trick used to separate you from your money. They claim to be the best hair growth product of 2025, which is a neat trick for a company that has apparently mastered time travel along with hair regrowth. With buy one get one free deals and sale ends tonight timers, they're creating a honey trap to make you rush into a purchase. Because nothing says reputable medical breakthrough quite like a high-pressure clearance sale. Honestly, the only thing growing here is the list of red flags. In the real world, actual hair treatments take 3 to 6 months to show results. So promising a full transformation in a fortnight is more of a fairy tale than a medical claim. Those before and after photos are likely the result of good lighting and even better Photoshop skills rather than any serum. When we checked the website's glowing reviews, things got even weirder. A quick reverse image search revealed that their happy customers are actually stolen photos from other websites. There's zero feedback on Trustpilot or Reddit, just a vacuum of genuine information. In conclusion, Eloura Hair Growth Serum is showing every symptom of a classic online scam. Between the unrealistic timelines, the pushy sales tactics, and the suspiciously fake reviews, it's hard to see this as anything other than a total letdown. Be careful out there and remember that if a product sounds too good to be true, it's probably just a very expensive bottle of disappointment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.